The De Beyer Mineral B Carbon Steel Omelette Pan is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. It boasts a 9.5-inch diameter and a 7.7-inch cooking surface. This pan is made in France, and it is free of PFAS, PFOA, and PFOS. The De Beyer Mineral B Carbon Steel Pan offers great cookability for omelets and more. This De Beyer Mineral B Carbon Steel Pan is crafted from 99% iron and 1% carbon steel. This material allows for excellent heat distribution and retention. As you use and season the pan, it develops a natural non-stick surface. This means fewer shortcuts with oil and easier cleanup. The curved corner design helps you flip omelets like a pro. The versatility of the De Beyer Mineral B Carbon Steel Pan extends beyond just omelets. You can use it for frying eggs, sautéing vegetables, and even searing small portions of meat. It is a workhorse in the kitchen, and it avoids the shenanigans of chemical non-stick coatings. While it might not be Viking cookware, its quality and performance stand out. This pan represents a worthwhile transaction for any home cook looking for reliable, chemical-free cookware. Pros: 9.5-inch diameter, 7.7-inch cooking surface, carbon steel, natural non-stick. After seasoning, good for high heat, oven safe, short time, up to 400 F. Durable material, even heat distribution, lighter than cast iron, easy to maneuver. Cons: needs seasoning, can rust if not cared for, hand wash only, may react with acid, can be heavy. Handle can get hot, not non-stick out of box, requires specific care, price can be higher. Might warp at high heat. Features: De Beyer brand, Mineral B series, carbon steel pan, omelette pan type, 9.5-inch diameter, 7.7-inch surface, PFAS free, PFOA free, PFOS free, made in France. This 9.5-inch omelette pan from the De Beyer Mineral B series is made in France from carbon steel, a natural material that gets better with use. It has a 7.7-inch cooking surface and is designed for making omelets, with sloped sides to help you roll them easily. The pan is free from harmful chemicals like PFAS, PFOA, and PFOS, making it a safe choice for your kitchen. This 9.5-inch De Beyer Mineral B Carbon Steel Omelette Pan, with a 7.7-inch cooking surface, is made in France and is free of PFAS, PFOA, and PFOS. Made from durable carbon steel, it heats evenly and is lighter than cast iron, making it easy to move around. It can handle high heat and is oven safe for short periods up to 400 degrees F. The pan develops a natural non-stick surface after it's seasoned, but it needs specific care to prevent rust and should only be washed by hand. It might react with acidic foods. The handle can get hot, and it's not non-stick when you first get it. Plus, it might cost more and could possibly warp if it gets too hot.